What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. In today's video, we jump straight back into Jasmy. Now, it's been about a month since I did make a Jasmy update, and that was because really we were in a consolidation period, guys. So I think now that it is the start of August, we should revisit Jasmy and figure out exactly what we should be expecting in the immediate short to midterm. So let's get it. Now, as always, guys, you know that I am on my journey to 10k subs. So if you're a Jasmy army and maybe you're not already subscribed to the channel, then please, it will help me out more than you guys imagine. Help me on my journey to 10k subs, guys. But look, it is August the 1st today, and we're going to look into some of the historical data for August and figure out whether it should be a red or a green month. But we've actually started off the month pretty red. Bitcoin back to 62k. ETH at 3.1k, and then you scroll down and you can see Jasmy is now down 10% for the past 24 hours at 2.5 cents. And you guys already know we're still up like 500% from our lows. So really, these dumps that do happen at this stage of the market won't really affect us who have been in Jasmy for a while. But for all of you new investors who are thinking, right, I need to get into a coin right now, this could be where it gets a little bit tricky because you may enter the market and start off red. Now, over the past 10 years, guys, only 4 months have actually printed green. We've usually had a green July, green October, and then going into the end of the year, but usually August and September are notoriously red months. So is this going to rhyme? Is this going to be a look through the looking glass to say, right, we're gearing up for another red August, or could it be different this time? We will check our charts at the end of the video. But right now, Bitcoin's monthly return started off red, and the Ethereum quarterly return is still down 9% for Q3. Now, something that everyone's going to look at is the altcoin chart and the fact that the golden cross or the bullish cross, whatever you want to call it, has just happened. Guys, remember, lagging indicator, it is basically telling us that we've already been going up and we've been bullish for like the past 6 months to a year. And usually when these crosses do happen, there is a period of consolidation pretty much on all time frames. It doesn't just mean like, right, we've crossed, we're going to insta pump. There usually will be some sort of pullback or a sideways consolidation, and then we do go. So remember, a lot of people will be posting, right, bullish cross, bullish cross. That doesn't mean it has to happen right now for your altcoins, guys. Right. Then I also saw this. Now, it's funny how BitBoy is all of a sudden going on about Jasmy. I don't know if he's been like making Jasmy content before. To be honest, I don't really watch him because if you are new, then you wouldn't know he was just promoting pretty much everything in the last bull run, and he was creating scam coins and all this sort of stuff, and he did get a lot of people wrecked. So again, you know, just because he's got a good following doesn't mean that, you know, he's trustworthy. But you're going to start to see the big accounts post things like Jasmy when we are already up, like, I don't know, I think I posted down here and I was like, yeah, 1000% later, lol, because we were getting it on the channel, guys, from like 0.003 cents, right? We're nearly up like 8x from our lowest buy levels, but the big accounts will start to jump in when Jasmy's reaching 3 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents and beyond. And remember, at the end of the video, we're going to check our Jasmy chart, so make sure you are staying patient. Now, something to also note, guys, is that the tightest range monthly close ever recorded, and the last one was in September of 2021. The next candle in October did pump 700%. Does that mean we could have a big squeeze that we're in the middle of right now, like a monthly candle squeeze, and then going into September, October, Pumptober? You guys already know what the deal is for Pumptober. Does that mean we could have a massive pump all the way up to some of our lower price targets? I remember our price target for this bull run was 35 cents, and we had that from when we were getting it at less than half of a cent, guys. So that would have been giving us that like 50 to 100x return on our investment. Is that around the corner? But you can see here, people were starting to post their trend lines and saying, we haven't broken below the trend line yet. We're not going to break below the trend line. It's fine. Why would you short here? Remember, trend lines, they work until they don't, right? So if you want to put all of your money, your life savings on a trend line, probably silly business doing that, guys. I would not be doing that, because this was at 2.889 cents. We're now below that for the day. It was at like 2.6 cents for the day. And once we start printing these daily candle closes underneath, this trend line is going to be broken very quickly. And then people start to change the trend line and say, oh, actually, no, it's to this week. Oh, actually, no, it's from this week to this week. Oh, actually, no, it's a straight line, right? So people will try and adapt their charts as they go. So be careful of putting all of your hope into one trend line. Now, one thing that we do need to look into, guys, is Ethereum. And right now, Ethereum is ranging in this massive handle that has been printing for like 6 months now. Okay, so we need to keep an eye on Ethereum because that is the alt daddy leader, and if Ethereum's dumping, pretty much all alts are going to dump, and they're going to dump harder than what Ethereum will dump as well the more you go down the caps, guys, right? So Jasmy kind of like a mid cap right now, so it shouldn't be too bad comparing it to those super small caps, but we're looking for some support around 3k, and if we can't get support around 3k, it's going to be like that 2.8k level, which is not going to be great for our altcoins, but will present an amazing opportunity to be getting some cheaper altcoins. If you were here on the channel for a long time, then you would know that we actually did track this key resistance zone in Jasmy in the last few videos, and we said, right, in this key resistance, you know, we're not just going to blow through it so quickly and so easy as people think. And guess what? We haven't, guys. And now we're finding resistance, and it looks like we are starting to form a pennant, which could have a breakout target all the way up at that 5 cents, and that's going to be in line with September. So are the charts starting to match? Are they starting to tell a story? Will it be a little bit later than September, maybe into October, where we do complete that 5 cent breakout? You guys can let me know what you think, but remember, we did enter a 5x long at 2 cents. That's still in play, still doing very well. Our first buys were all the way down here, guys, so like, we have nothing to worry about when it does come to our initial spot buys, but we are finding resistance right now. So I think over the next sort of month to 2 months, it's going to be choppy. We're going to have to endure volatility, and we have to just accept that right now the big whales are accumulating as many alts as they can. Jasmy is going to be on that list, and at 2.6 cents, probably a good accumulation level. I'm going to try and pick up more at this bottom area of this pennant, and if we do break below, then again, a 2 cent Jasmy and below will be an amazing pickup for some spot positions. But the breakout target is going to be the top of the key resistance at around 5 cents, just shy of 5 cents. You guys let me know what your plan is in the comments. So that's it. If you made it this far, please be sure to support the channel by smashing that like button and dropping a sub, and let me know in the comments how you're feeling about Jasmy. Are your bags packed? Are they not? Let me know. See you in the next one, guys. Peace.